Can I go and give Brooks money from right here? Inventory, cash. Let me. My car is the coolest.
I think Brooks is the best.
Dickhead. Dickhead! Dickhead!
I'll adopt your strategy.
Everybody adopt the strategy.
It kinda worked.
I gotta go back for round 2.
It kinda worked.
It did.
Oh my god, wait, did we kill all of them by running them over?
Oh my fucking god.
Some of us shot.
Okay guys, let's go to convoy.
Oh no. I'm
You
trapped.
dick!
I'm trapped.
Let's go, Brooks.
Eric, I'm coming
The
through.
one important person is trapped.
Oh.
Trapped. I'm trapped.
No!
Carlos is the one that died.
Cause you asshole!
Oh shit.
Wait, I'm alive
Fine,
again.
I
What
guess
the
you
fuck?
can do that, Brooks.
Eric, let's get in my car and go!
Misadventures amoung.
This gun doesn't do any damage.
What are you using?
Mini. So machine
Eric,
gun.
come on!
Where the fuck are you going?
Not near them.
Carlos, if we wanted to kill you, we would have killed you a long time ago.
No, you
Yeah.
guys wanted to
Oh,
kill me, but
gee.
you guys fucking missed.
Oh god. How did I even hit that?
Ew, I love this
I
song.
don't know who's worse of a driver, Brooks or Carlos.
Hey, that was just unlucky streak right there.
And that.
I don't know,
Where
I
you
felt like
going,
Griff
Carlos?
didn't really
I
work.
know, I wasn't paying attention to the GPS. Cunt, will you quit throwing grenades? Fuck! Okay, there you go, piece of shit. You dumbass!
I just fell.
You're such a dumbass!
That was the greatest thing ever, dude.
That was the easiest mission ever.
I left Eric for dead.
Dude, I threw so many grenades. Oh, they're no joke. They're rushing you. Watch out.
What mission is this?
No, I don't even know, dude.
What the fuck?
You're such a dumbass!
What if I am a freaking civilian, dude? What a loser.
A civilian. Carlos, some guy comes out of nowhere at full speed, destroys the shit out of me.
Oh,
He
you
destroyed
destroyed the coat.
That was you. I didn't blow anything up. I
pretty
was
sure that was
using my
you.
gun.
I was using a Oh, I guess one of the other
You blew
things
up a car,
exploded.
Carlos?
Yeah, that was actually me.
Oh my god. At least I got fucking wrecked by a pedestrian. God damn it.
Get fucked.
That was a retard.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, keep it together. Keep it together. I believe in you.
Anthony, she gets to go ahead because I messed up Eric's video.
Dude, you actually fucked me.
What did you do?
So he went. He
Guys, I
slipstreamed
just
off of me.
flew into first. Except I missed.
He slipstreamed in front, like behind me. So what he did was he like made it so I couldn't slip.
You crushed me!
What the hell, Carlos?
Open up that window. Don't you let out that elbow.
Don't do it, Lanza. Oh, you did it. Screw it up.
Finally,
Fucking killed
I
me.
slipstreamed!
Lads, you bitch! I landed on you! Far behind because I didn't make
Fuck,
the
I
jump.
overshot it too much. Oh god.
Oh god, I'm way over.
Oh my god, you son of a bitch!
I missed another one.
What the heck?
Damn it.
Get fucked.
Carlos is cheating.
Being a bully.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, what? Oh god. Accidentally. I'm a retard.
What did you do?
I don't know.
What the hell?
Carlos went straight into the ground.
What the hell? I freaking ran last.
Fuck.
Well, at some point I ended up on Rebel Radio and I had to switch it instantly.
That's the best
It's
one.
disgusting. I had to change that shit.
Look, I had to drive Phil's friends home the other day after BSD, and some of them like country music.
Ew,
Wow.
that's disgusting.
They should kill themselves, honestly. Absolutely disgusting.
That's nasty.
This is why God hates everyone.
Yeah.
That makes
That's
total
why.
sense.
That's why he made Jews and country music.
Yep.
Make it sucker.
That's why poverty exists, Lanza. Because people like country music.
Because the people like you, Lanza.
Yeah, kill yourself.
That's,
And the
that's
people who are Jews, like me. Yeah, and Liam.
What the fuck?
You and Liam fucked us over here. Exactly. We're the reason the world sucks.
Nice.
Please don't land on me.
Oh shit! Get the fuck out of the way!
Fuck you, bitch! I'll go in front of you all day.
That's right, fuck you, Brooks.
Fuck! Get the fuck out of the way!
God, my eyes itchy, but I can't let go. No.
Ah, whoa! Oh, you absolute fucking dickhead!
happened?
Where the fuck am I?
I went too high up and I fell off.
You went to after Carlos.
Lanza, I got in front of Carlos with my boots and I think I launched him
Oh
off.
gosh, I don't know how to do this.
Fucking
Oh gosh, this looks
dickhead.
scary.
Hey, so,
This is hard.
Oh no. I'm fine. I'm fine.
I did it. Oh, there's another one.
No. So, Brooks,
Well, once you get on the yellow thing, it stays on.
Wait, do they do it automatically?
Fuck! What am I doing?
I've been pressing the freaking
Seeing.
boost button.
No.
You can go. You're a good boy.
He's not white. It's a lie.
He was resisting arrest.
He had a gun.
Oh god!
oh my god, Eric! Oh. I just hit you in air! Oh god! I'm drifting! No! Ah! Oh! Yes! I made it!
And now for something completely different.
Like, yeah.
One
One's
cat.
in Palace.
Cat.
Holy shit!
Derek, that's not. You have a talent at making super high pitched noises. Watch out, watch out!
Oh my fucking god, this guy walked right by me. Fucking right by me, dude. Put that on your resume. I can do sonar.
It was like tie me to the front of her freaking ring on back. Oh gosh, I can't do it when I'm not scared.
What the fuck?
Ow!
His balls are like
right?
his balls are his tonsils.
That's a solid negative. No, it's A! It's A! Freaking A, bro!
Doing it.
He's in freaking that one place. Knife him! Not. Who the hell didn't knife him?
Oh my gosh.
Hello?
Oh my gosh.
Eric, what rhymes with Holy shit! Stupid Japanese piece of shit!
Bully pit.
That's a hard Carlos, what's the answer?
Holy shit.
What the hell are they?
Is it not me?
that was pretty good.
Apps.
Pepperoni! Ah!
So confused.
What the fuck?
How did he get there? I'm so confused.
3, 2, 1.
That was so bad.
What the fuck, guys? What the fuck is this?
Made me. Very proud you guys.
No!
Holy fuck. What should I do? Go mid or...
Win! You fucking win!
Okay.
Sorry.
So
Is it Tourette's?
It's okay.
Coming out. Oh my god, that flick mark. You could almost say he was on his mark. Right? Oh.
what the fuck?
There is no cure for suicide. Find me! Mid! Ah, fuck! 41 and 3? Oh, you got it, dudes. Oh my god.
GG.
I was right to say someone molly Tetris from somewhere, so.
Y'all said a buck. What the fuck is this wrong with me?
That was awesome.
Congrats on the 32 kills.
Holy crap. Hey guys, it's Morpho.80. So I know it's been a long time coming for a new video, but you know what, fuck you guys, I'm lazy as shit. And stay tuned for next year's video about how I fell out of a van. Good night. Anyway, you know, just subscribe, whatever, like it if you want. Share it if you want your friends to get cancer. You know, from watching the videos.